Revitalize stressed houseplants with a surprising pantry staple. Remedy. Have your houseplants been looking weak lately? Yellow leaves, drooping stems, or slow growth, even after watering? Before buying expensive fertilizers, try this surprising pantry staple that can revive stressed houseplants naturally. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing a simple, free, and powerful remedy. Plain rice water. Rice water is not a fertilizer. It's a gentle plant tonic. It contains natural starch and vitamins that feed beneficial soil microbes, strengthen roots, and improve leaf color. And here's a second amazing kitchen ingredient. Oat water oats release natural minerals that improve soil health, support root growth, and help plants recover from stress. This remedy works great for indoor plants like money plant, snake plant, peace lily. How to prepare. Take 2 tablespoons of plain rice, wash it in 1 glass of clean water, and collect the milky water. For oat water, soak 1 tablespoon of plain oats in 1 glass of water for 30 minutes, then strain. Do not add salt, sugar, milk, or flavors. How to use. Use rice water once. Use oat water. Water the soil lightly. Never use daily or on soggy soil. Within 1 to 2 weeks, you'll notice fresher leaves, stronger stems, and new growth. If you found this tip helpful, like the video, subscribe, and share with plant lovers. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.